we're in the paint booth. We're working on that 58 Cadillac that we've been working on for about the last few months. And we're painting the two front fenders and the decorative. Now, one of the things that we try to do is do complete work. So you'll notice that everything here gets painted, even the underside of the decorative. We're not leaving anything out. The door jambs, all of the parts of the fender where it could be affected, the wood panel went through. Once this is all done, it's going to look great. We'll do some undercoating under the bottom of the fender and make it look like $1 million. Over here are hanging the door hinges that we had sandblasted, and now we're painting them. So everything's going to match up. It's going to be a beautiful car. Look for our long-term version of this video.